Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. As an Orlando Pirates fan, I'm not promoting whatever Hugo Bruce is smoking. Bafethu, as South African fan, we can't allow ukuthi uHugo Bruce akhulume kanje ngama-fan wethu, ngama-player wethu. Uthi yena uJayden Adams noBasadin angeke baze badlale ku-national team because ba-choose imali instead of i-career. Like I was confused, bro. I was confused. Like uthini lo madala lona uthi labafana ngeke basadlale ku-national team because ba-choose i-Sundowns. Specific azange asho ukuthi ba-choose ini, uthi ba-choose i-Sundowns over i-career yabo. Sho ukuthi ama-player befanele angasayi ku-Sundowns. Sho ukuthi ama-player mawaya ku-Sundowns angeke asadlaleli Bafana Bafana. Yinto azama ukutshela amanye ama-player leyo nto. As a national team coach ungasho njalo. Maceda isafa iyathula nayo. Come on guys. Come on Joe, like ufuna afile njani ama-player alapha uBafana Bafana adlalele i-Sundowns. Ngoba ukhuluma ngabobhuti babo. Mawuthi wena angeke basadlala ufuna afile njani, akuthathe njani njengobaba. If le nto le beyikhuluma uJunior Khanya, ngabe ekhulunywe uJunior Khanya asho emaplayini we-Pirates or we-Kaizer Chiefs, ngabe ubona sekuphume iy'ncwadi ku-FIFA ukuthi uJunior Khanya angasakhulumi, uJunior Khanya. But ngoba kukhulume uMadala and ukhuluma nge-Sundowns, i-stepson sala eSouth Africa sebhola, abantu angeke basho next. If bekakhulume so nge-Pirates or nge-Chiefs, ngiyakutshela action was going to be taken. Uchaza ukuthini uma usho so? Like makaphendule i-statement sakhe, mabangambuza kahle naye angeke aze akhone ukusiphendula lo muntu osikhulumile. Ukuthi uchaza ukuthini mawuthi lama-player angeke asadlale ngoba akhethe i-Sundowns. Nabo abonkotha bakhethe imali over i-Pirates. Mara angeke asho next. La unkotha adlala khona bafethu is the worst league nje emhlabeni. Ungezwa bakujutha bathi ibhadala kahle, is the worst league emhlabeni. Emhlabeni wonke nje. Is the worst league. Kudlala nabantu abangathathi ibhola as i-career. They take it as a-hobby. Mara uyamselect unkotha. Uyamselect uSibiso. Awungadlali ku-Pirates ugcine ukudlala last season. Yaba-select boMobi. Yambona ukuthi uMadala is just ubulawa i-age. Umdala lo muntu man. You can't talk about this ngamanye ama-player we-national team futhi. Hayi. I disagree nje. SAFA needs to do something about this guy. You can't. You undermine abantu abamnyama lo muntu lona. And South Africa, SAFA is allowing that to happen. You are undermining this guy. Hayi.